You guys, I just heard the mailman drop something off. I got Jamie a surprise Father's Day gift. He has been wanting this pizza oven for like way too long. I told him it was ridiculous. I got it for him. Check it out. Okay, let's go get him. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. We got the olive green color. It's so cool. I can't wait to see it. Let's go get him. I got a surprise for you.
What?
Yeah. It's out front. Come check it out.
New car?
Yeah, new car, Tesla.
Mama's got a surprise for us. Let's go see.
Ruby, what do you think it is?
You got a find for us?
Uh-huh.
Where is it?
Do you know what it is?
No.
Go check it out. It's out front. Here, wait, I want to go in front of you.
Package.
Wait, don't look. Don't look.
Oh. No way. Are you serious? Woo!
What is
Pizza
it?
oven! Yes! I've seen the Facebook ads for this.
You haven't
Boys.
only seen the Facebook ads, you've been begging for them.
Pizza oven, Daddy.
It is a pizza oven. I've wanted one of these. Thank you. Woo!
Let's open it.
Yes! Oh, excited. I see why you left it on the front porch.
Yeah.
Alright, let's open this thing. Woo!
You pumped?
I'm so pumped. Okay, looks like we've got burner box, which will open in a minute, but I want to see the big guy. I'm gonna take it out. Sweet. Oh, green. Nice. That's awesome. I don't know if I've seen this color before. Woo!
A new one.
All right. So, sweet little, what do you call it? Spatula? A giant spatula. Sweet. Ooh, bottle opener.
All right.
Perfect. Hey, this is sweet. It's got a little, ooh, that's heavy. Carrier though. So yeah, carrier for it, that's sweet.
So cute.
Got the fold out legs here. Nice.
Oh my goodness, it's so cute.
Sweet.
What's the first kind of pizza you're gonna make in there?
Oh man. I think we need to have something with like olives on it because it's green.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. It's more compact than I thought it would be. This is like a silicone or something. So
Really?
probably for protection because it gets so hot, you know? But yeah, it's like a rubber. Sweet.
Do you like the color?
I love it. It's awesome. This is like your gas burner, so you hook it up to a propane tank. Nice. Okay. Sweet. What do you think?
It's so cute. I love the green so much.
Yeah, it's cool. It's kind of like, I don't know, retro or...
Yeah, it's gonna look good with our Airstream.
Yeah, even like the curve shape kind of matches the Airstream.
It's all that matters, really.
Yeah, I don't know how you turn a pizza oven with your fingers.
Yeah, I don't think
900 degrees, you
I
know.
don't think you should be sticking your fingers in a 600-degree oven. For those-
900, isn't it?
That's a Seinfeld reference.
And you get to sprinkle your cheese, and then you slide it into the oven.
You know, you have to know how to do that. You can't have people shoving their arms into a 600-degree oven.
It's all supervised.
Thank you. I love it.
You're welcome. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go test it out.
All right, sounds good. I gotta go get some propane, I think. All right, so we murdered a lot of pizzas practicing. We found the trick is to make them smaller than you think you need to. So we've done about 10 pizzas now, so we're kind of getting the hang of it. There's definitely a learning curve with the Roccbox. We're making one of my favorite recipes. We actually found it in Hawaii when we were there. It's basically just a pepperoni pizza with pineapple and then a sweet chili Asian sauce on top. It's really tasty. So we're gonna do that. You wanna help me, Ruby?
Yeah.
All right, let's put some cheese on there. Okay, cheese. Let's put some pepperonis on there. All right. Sweet. Now we just put our sweet chili on. It's really easy. Alright, Top Chef, here we go. Alright, so the oven's been heating up for about a half an hour. It's around 900 degrees, so it's really hot. So this thing will cook in like a minute and a half. Alright, let's go cook this bad boy.
It's not a test, only the best. La Belle Époque, La Belle Époque, La Belle Époque. Airplanes with my name and dinner at restaurant Le Maurice. Oh no, no, it's not a diss. I only drink.
All right, what do you think? You like your Father's Day present?
Love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. We're pretty excited to use it this summer with our Airstream. We can take it camping with us. We can take it to the beach.
The butt matches the butt of our Airstream. I'll show you.
It's like the same shape.
Yeah,
It's meant to be.
meant to be.
Yeah, let's eat.
Alright.
I have to say something, with all due respect. I just never, I can't imagine anyone in any walk of life, under any circumstance, wanting to make their own pizza pie. But that's me.
La Belle Époque, La Belle Époque.
Good job. It's our pizza garden.
She's eating it. She says,
Oh, honey.
"Yum."
Whoopsies. Whoopsies.